Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick vlog. We have been living in our new place for almost 2 weeks now. We are all settled in, and the dog love it. And look who we got. We got another little beautiful dog. But this isn't a permanent dog. We're just fostering this dog because it was the last day that the dog was gonna be alive at the shelter. So we picked her up and we are holding her until we find a better home for her. Her name is Tequila, and she's a pit terrier mix, and she is the sweetest little dog ever. She's so cute. She's 3 years old and under 40 pounds, and she is just so sweet. She doesn't pull on her leash. She's house trained. She's a sweetie. So we should be able to find her a home. We should be able to find her a home soon. We just got her 2 days ago, and it was we're really happy that we got her. So here is the second room. We mounted that TV. It was awesome, so I could play games while I edit videos. So that's cool. And of course, I don't know if I showed you guys, we have mounted that TV already. So when we go upstairs, we have everything hung up. So all our pictures are hung up. Everything we want is hung up, and of course they love going up and down stairs. But anyway, all that's been really going on is we've been just trying to find her a home. So if you are in the DFW area and you want a nice, beautiful dog, she is up for adoption. So, and then Tessie just wants to go outside. She just loves being outside. She loves being in the patio. So another thing that's been going on this week, or these weeks, is that I have been learning how to Rubik's Cube. I was about 7 years of not knowing how to do a Rubik's Cube, so I decided to take a Rubik's Cube to work and learn how to solve it while I have a little bit of spare time while I'm waiting for different things at work. So I ended up getting another Rubik's Cube, which is this one that has no stickers. It's just tiles, and it's a little bit faster than the other one I had. It's actually a lot faster than the other one I had. And actually just ordered a different Rubik's Cube, and I'm learning how to do different kinds of Rubik's Cubes because I just find it fascinating. So right now I'm just mixing them up just a little bit, and then I'm going to solve it for you guys. So looks pretty mixed up. So let me go ahead and take a little look here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and solve this for you guys, just to show you guys what I've been doing. There you go. So I'm getting kind of good at it. The fastest time I've done so far is 1 minute and 35 seconds, which from not knowing how to do it at all to being able to in just a couple weeks is pretty good to me.